Hello and welcome to Module 8. In this module, we'll be finishing up Essay 2 and looking at some modern fairy tale, contemporary versions of the fairy tales we've been looking at. Early in the week, you'll submit your topic selection and pre-write for Essay 2, and then of course respond to a couple of peers about their ideas. You will continue reading about fairy tales, specifically contemporary versions of some of the fairy tales we've been looking at. You will do this week's discussion board post, which will focus specifically on those modern versions of the fairy tales. And then this quiz will cover the information from both Module 7 and 8. And then finally, at the end of the week, you'll submit your final draft of Essay 2. Then you'll be done, and next module will be focused on the exam, so you can start preparing for that. Have a great week. Bye.